Scoots here on Liquid right now.
Where'd it go?
I picked up this lovely Frostbite Grease Lightning from free-to-play Scoots. Why was that 165 keys? I picked it up for 166. Since he did the auction at 166 keys. One keyboard virus isn't too bad. And on Backpack, there's a Frostbite Grease Lightning on buy order at 165 keys. It was recently priced at 190 keys. I set up buy order for 166, stating I did pick it up for 166. So I'm pretty happy with this because like I look like a greaser. Makes sense for being a Grease Lightning. I'm matching black paint, and this looks good. Frostbite with Disco Beatdown.